First, we'll take 4-5 deep breathing. 1, inhale and exhale. Do it from your belly. Inhale and exhale. Third time, inhale and exhale. Fourth, inhale exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now focus on your body first. Start with your forehead. Focus on your forehead. Release all the tension from your forehead. Now focus on your eyes. Now relax your eyes. Focus on your tip of the nose. Try to feel your nose. Now relax it. Now focus on your smile. Give a big smile. Feel the body, the change in your body, the moment you smile. Be aware about your whole body. Now focus on your throat. Feel the movement in your throat when you inhale and exhale. Relax your throat. Now focus on your heart. Try to feel the heartbeat. Now relax your heart. Now relax your stomach. And now focus on your legs. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your ankle. Relax your feet. Relax your full legs. Take a deep breath. Release all the tension, anxiety, stress, all the negative feeling you are feeling right now. Release it. Take another deep breath. Relax your body.